Imagine waking up tomorrow and suddenly your legs feel weak. You swing them off the bed, but they buckle like jelly. You grab a glass of water, your hands tremble. What just happened? Panic sets in. You feel like you're losing control of your own body. What if I told you this isn't just aging? No, it's something happening inside your body right now, stealing your strength without you even knowing it. Here's the shocking truth. It's a condition called sarcopenia. It's the silent thief that steals your muscle, your independence, and your ability to live freely. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. One simple food that can stop sarcopenia in its tracks, no matter your age. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to fight back. Section 1, the problem. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Sarcopenia is a disease that affects millions of seniors worldwide. It's not just about getting older. It's a loss of muscle mass that happens so gradually, you might not notice it until it's too late. And the worst part? There's no pain, no warning signs. Your muscles simply begin to disappear, and your strength fades. Research shows that after age 60, seniors can lose as much as 33% of their muscle mass. That's 1/3 of the muscle you've built up over a lifetime. In fact, Harvard University found that muscle mass starts to decline even as early as your 50s. And this can happen even if you feel healthy. And here's the kicker. Doctors often don't tell you that sarcopenia is reversible. That's right. A groundbreaking study found that seniors over 70 were able to regain muscle mass in just 6 weeks by making a simple change to their diet. And that change begins with one powerful food. But before we get to that food, if you're over 50, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop new health tips every week that could change your life. Now let's dive into how you can fight muscle loss head-on. Section 2, the 9 muscle-saving foods. 1. Brown rice, the energy anchor. Let's kick this off with brown rice, a simple food that can make a huge difference in your muscle health. Forget about white rice. It's the brown variety that's your secret weapon. Brown rice is packed with fiber and magnesium, which help prevent cramps and muscle spasms. And those slow-digesting carbs, they keep your energy up all day long, helping fuel your muscles so they stay strong. Here's the pro tip. Pair your brown rice with lean protein, chicken, fish, or tofu. The combination of carbs and protein creates a muscle-building powerhouse that can really help slow down sarcopenia. 2. Quinoa, the complete protein. Next up, quinoa. You've probably heard of it, but do you know why it's a superfood for your muscles? Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't make on its own. Just 1 cup of quinoa has 8 grams of protein, a perfect addition to your diet if you're trying to rebuild muscle naturally. Did you know quinoa is also packed with iron, magnesium, and fiber? So it not only helps your muscles, but it keeps your heart healthy and your digestive system in check. Now that's what I call a multitasker. Walnuts, the omega-3 shield. Let's talk about walnuts. These little guys are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is one of the biggest muscle killers, and walnuts can combat it better than most foods. Omega-3s also lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that eats away at your muscle tissue. A handful of walnuts a day can help fight muscle weakness and slow muscle aging. Easy to add to your daily routine, right? 4. Blueberries, the antioxidant army. Blueberries, let's talk about the tiny warriors of the fruit world. These little berries are packed with antioxidants that slow down the aging process of your muscles. A study from Tufts University found that seniors who ate berries experience faster muscle recovery and better muscle health over time. The secret? Anthocyanins, the compounds that give blueberries their deep blue color. They literally protect muscle cells from damage and help them regenerate faster. So go ahead and add a cup of these berries to your diet. Your muscles will thank you. Flax seeds, the fiber-fix flax seeds, tiny but mighty. These seeds are packed with fiber and lignans, rare plant compounds that help protect muscle cells and reduce inflammation. Just a tablespoon a day, and you'll get a powerful boost to your overall health. They're so easy to add into your day. Sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, Blend them into smoothies or even bake them into your favorite recipes. It's a small change with big results. 6. Cottage cheese, the overnight savior. Here's one you might not have expected: cottage cheese. But before you turn your nose up, hear me out. Cottage cheese is loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly. So when you eat it before bed, it feeds your muscles throughout the night, helping them recover while you sleep. Try it tonight before bed. You'll wake up feeling stronger and your muscles will thank you for it. Greek yogurt, the recovery dynamo. Greek yogurt is another powerhouse food. It's packed with 20 grams of protein per serving, making it a fantastic option to help repair and build muscle. Plus, it's rich in probiotics that can reduce inflammation and muscle damage. Just make sure to choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Skip the sugary stuff. Those added sugars can be more harmful than helpful for muscle health. 8. Fatty fish, the omega-3 powerhouse salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fatty fish are packed with DHA and EPA, omega-3 fatty acids that boost your muscle protein absorption. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, eating fatty fish twice a week can reduce muscle loss by up to 40%. Add them to your diet and watch your muscles thrive. Not only will you get healthier muscles, but your heart and joints will also thank you. 9. Lean protein, the muscle trigger. Lastly, don't forget about lean protein. Whether it's chicken, turkey, eggs, or legumes, lean protein is essential to rebuilding and preserving muscle. Protein helps trigger the muscle building process, and seniors actually need more protein than younger adults, around 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Protein-rich foods, especially those high in leucine, a key amino acid, will ignite muscle growth and prevent further loss. So make sure you're getting enough with every meal. These aren't just foods, they're your armor against sarcopenia. Remember, consistency is the key. Rotate these foods into your meals now before muscle loss becomes irreversible. Look, I get it, change is hard. But what's harder? Losing your independence, the ability to stand, walk, or play with your grandkids. The choice is yours. Start today or regret it tomorrow. Here's a simple 3-step plan to follow. Pick 2-3 foods from this list and add them to your next meal. Share this video with a friend. Muscle loss doubles for seniors who live alone. Hit subscribe. Our next video reveals 3 morning routines that add years to your life. Time isn't on your side, but with these foods, you can fight back. So tell me in the comments, which food will you try first? Type 1 for cottage cheese, 2 for salmon, or 3 for walnuts. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. It helps us reach more seniors like you. Thanks for watching. Now go save your muscles.